Tariki 7 mweri wa gatatu mwaka uyu nirio President William Ruto na uria wari mung'etheri wake munene wa kiuteti mutigaire Raila Odinga marokire gukuneka uthu wao wa kiuteti magiikara metha imwe na gwikanira ngirimiti ya wiguano. Hindi ya gikaro giki kiria giteregereirwo ngeithi kiiguithaniria gukinyaniria kwa maundu 10 maria mari riboti-ini ya wiguano ya NADCO maria marongoragiria guteithiriria kwagirithia miathanire gukinyaniria kwa ihoto kuri ya Kenya aria magurarite kana kuragirwo mirurungano-ini kuri haria maguraritio ni thirikari gatagata-ini ka maundu mangi na kuria President Ruto na Odinga meraniire ukinyaniria wa maundu maya niguo kunyorotha miathanire.
The goal of the MOU is to help ease the prevailing tensions in the country.
While our political parties may differ in strategy, we share a common goal.
Ngeithi kimatia ndugu thirikari-ini ya kurutithania wira kana broad based government kuria Raila Odinga akoretwo ahetwo mweke wa kurehe andu ake na gukigia na ngayano njithi ya iturwa ndundu-ini ya maminista kuria Ali Hassan Joho, Wycliffe Oparanya na uria wari mubunge wa guthukio John Mbadi mategirwo maguta-ini kuhura muhuri ati Odinga na Ruto matiare mauma na ikuhi. Hakwe mwaka thutha wa thirikari ino kwambiriria wiguano uyu tugathima ukinyaniru na ugimaru wayo kuria dalili ciothe na uge wa ataramu onanitie ati wiguano uyu ni wateithiriirie hanene kuhorohia urugari wa kiuteti uria wombororokite mwaka mwituku ukirehwo ni mirurungano ya Gen Z iria yacokire kuhorera.
Tumeweka sahihi kwa mkataba ya kuleta ulewano, ya kuleta amani, ya kupigana na maadui ya Wakenya wote: ugonjwa, ujinga, umaskini na utawala mbaya, kidhuluma na kimabavu.
Ona kuri uguo rugari utari munene ukiambiriria gwithegea kiama-ini kia ODM ukiambiriria gutebebia gataro ka wiguano kuri amwe atongoria kiama giki meheranirie na ngeithi ici makirega ati matire thirikari-ini ya President William Ruto kuria Odinga acungiriirio kuingirira ndeto eno mahinda kwa mahinda.
Ule mkataba tuliandika na UDA is of no use as I speak today. It doesn't matter what else Ruto does. It doesn't matter what else he does. That agreement is dead.
You have not passed any resolution as a party to say how we are going to go into the elections of 2027. So wherever you are, don't commit the party to some things which have not been discussed. Let those things be discussed first. We are ODM. Who's told you that ODM will not have a candidate in 2027? Who has told you?
No gikuo kia Raila Odinga tariki 15 mweri wa 10 gikoneka gukorwo giatigire wiguano uyu handu harito kuona riu uregani no thiete na mbere na kwiruga atongoria ODM magikunjanira ngundi king'ang'a-ini hatari guoya kana thoni riu igeria inene ari kuona kana ODM no eguthie na mbere gwikara thirikari-ini kana ni kwiyatura kuringana na mirugamo ya atongoria
na ODM iko ndani ya broad based government.
Baba mwenyewe alituambia chama cha ODM ina uwezo wa kutoa rais Kenya hii. Wewe ukienda kutuambia unaenda kuunga mtu mwingine, baba alisema tukuulize who told you?
ODM is not for sale. Najua kuna watu wanataka kuuza chama cha ODM. I can produce even the evidence that there are some people who are trying to sell this great party called ODM.
Gukiri uguo Kenya makahe o maitho mao wiguano uyu igeria inene rikigeta gwakinya ni kampeini cia githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 Haduni Akabime TV retora kwa ni Bataru wa Mwangi.